Once upon a time near the farm where lilies grow, there was a little duck named Mimi who lived in the pond. Quack, quack, little duck said cheerfully. Quack, quack, little duck. Splish, splash, splash in water. The little duck was enjoying the sparkling sun with her mother. Mimi duck loved to paddle. Quack, 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 everybody knows. Quack, 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 everybody. The little Mimi duck has a small beak and large eyes. Quack, quack, fluffy feathers so bright yellow. Mimi duck loved to waddle. Little duck flap, flap, flap the wings. Quack, 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 quack. Waddle, waddle and waddle. Quack and waddle, quack and waddle. Splish, splash, splish and splash. Oh, so cute. Mimi wanted some fun. Quack, 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 quack. Waddle, waddle and waddle. Quack and waddle, quack and waddle. Quack and waddle. Splish, splash and splish and splash. Oh, so cute. Mimi wanted some fun. One morning bright under sky so blue, Mimi woke up in the pond so calm. Splash, splash in the water cheerfully. Mimi would swim without fear. In the pond, little duck saw a frog and a fish. Mimi said hello in a great mood. Mimi duck made new friends, oh so great. A baby frog named Fred and a baby fish named Finn. Crawl on, quack, quack, waddle, quack and waddle. Quack and waddle, quack and waddle. Quack and waddle, quack and waddle. Quack and waddle, splish, splash, and splish and splash. Little Mimi played heartily with her new friends. Little Mimi played heartily with her new friends. Mimi said, quack, 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 quack. Mimi chased dragonflies with her friend Mimi, and her new friends were laughing so loudly. In the evening light and the stars would gleam, Mimi and her friends played ball together. Mimi said, quack, 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 sharing laughter and joy together. At night as the stars would twinkle and shine, Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. Little Mimi Duck and her friends came back. They were all tired of playing all day. Mother Duck said, it's time to sleep. Little Duck said, quack, quack, quack. They all went to sleep peacefully. Oh, everybody looks so cute together.